Let's draw two beautiful pictures of Masha and Super Mario together, and I'll tell you two exciting stories about them while we draw. One sunny morning, Masha discovered a dusty old box in the corner of her grandmother's attic. Inside, she found a set of glowing paints and a collection of magical brushes. The colors shimmered and sparkled as if alive. Beside them lay a note that read, "With every stroke, dreams take shape." Intrigued, Masha couldn't resist trying them out. She set up her easel in the meadow near her house, ready to see what these magical tools could do. As soon as Masha dipped a brush into the glowing paint and made her first stroke, something incredible happened. The sun she painted on the canvas jumped out and hovered above her, casting warm, golden rays. Excited, Masha began painting more fluffy clouds, colorful flowers, and even a cheerful bunny. One by one, her creations leapt off the canvas, filling the meadow with life and color. She was overjoyed, laughing as the bunny hopped around her and flowers swayed in the breeze. But Masha's excitement got the better of her. She decided to paint a giant rainbow dragon to make the adventure even more thrilling. As she finished the last stroke, the dragon roared to life, its scales gleaming like gemstones. However, the dragon wasn't as playful as the bunny or the flowers. It began to fly around wildly, creating gusts of wind that knocked over trees and scattered her paints. Masha realized she needed to fix things quickly before the dragon caused any real damage. With a deep breath, Masha grabbed her brush and painted a giant butterfly net. She swung it with all her might and caught the dragon just as it tried to fly away. Then, she painted a peaceful, cozy cave and guided the dragon into it. Once everything calmed down, Masha decided to use her magical paints more carefully. She created a beautiful sunset to end her day and watched in awe as the colors spread across the sky. Smiling, she packed up her magical tools, eager for her next artistic adventure. Now, it's time to draw Super Mario and share his thrilling story. One bright morning in the Mushroom Kingdom, Mario stumbled upon a peculiar glowing canvas in Princess Peach's art room. Curious, he leaned closer to examine it and saw the words, "Paint your imagination, bring it to life." Toad explained that the canvas was enchanted, capable of turning any painting into reality. Peach encouraged Mario to try it out, handing him a set of brushes and paints. Excited, Mario decided to create a masterpiece in the castle garden. Mario started with a sunny blue sky and fluffy clouds, which instantly appeared above him as he painted. Then he added some Goombas for a bit of fun. But instead of staying playful, the Goombas began to march around mischievously, scattering flowers and scaring Toads. Realizing he needed to take control, Mario painted a fire flower, which leapt from the canvas into his hand. Armed with fiery power, Mario rounded up the Goombas and painted a safe pen to keep them contained. Feeling confident, Mario decided to paint his biggest challenge yet, a colossal Bowser. As Bowser emerged from the canvas, he let out a deafening roar and started stomping around the garden, shaking the ground. Mario quickly painted a Starman for invincibility and faced the giant Bowser head-on. Their epic battle left colorful trails of paint and sparks flying through the air. Finally, with a swift stroke of his brush, Mario painted a pit trap that Bowser fell into, ending the chaos. With the garden now in ruins but the excitement still buzzing, Mario painted a serene meadow filled with flowers, restoring peace to the Mushroom Kingdom. Princess Peach and the Toads cheered as the garden bloomed with new life. Mario smiled, placing the magical brushes and canvas back in Peach's art room, knowing that creativity could be both powerful and unpredictable. He was ready for more adventures, but maybe with fewer mischievous Goombas next time. Please subscribe, like, and share this video.